each other upon a Slade.
Save our sons.
To save Joe. To save William.
He has a son. I'll make sure he suffers too. Do it.
Slade!
It's a little too convincing. You gotta go.
Come on.
I spared your life back then. I know. But back there, it didn't feel like an act the same way it did with Chase back on me and you.
Because when I saw my son, I was tempted. I would have done anything to keep us together. When you mentioned William, I realized that's not my boy. It's Kane.